Hi everyone, this is Joy Banerjee from AskJoyB, and in this session we will discuss about why PowerShell for a Windows sysadmin. And there are so many important things and interesting things which I want to discuss with you today. Okay, in this particular session. Okay, so let's get started and let's talk about a task which you want to perform. Let's say you want to start and stop multiple servers and from GUI, right? So you're okay. What I believe is for the first time you feel it is easy to use GUI rather going for and finding PowerShell commands. But when you get the command and when you are running those commands and getting the result and saving time and effort, then you will really love it. You also require a consistent result and also would like to take out the report, whatever the action you want to perform or you are performing. Let's talk about the value out of PowerShell. Your boss or your manager can also ask you, "Hey, are you documenting the things which you are trying to perform in this weekend activity?" So when you are using a PowerShell, the documentation becomes very easy. What you need to do is you just running the commands and you just do copy paste to a Word document, which is helping you to build the documentation quite easily. Let's take another scenario, right? I've seen in this particular IT industry all over the world, a Unix admin get more paid than Windows admin. For the sake of thinking, I can think like, right, they work on a black screen. Okay, that's really make them more techy, and your manager also can really say, okay, yes, a GUI stuff I can give a try, but a CLI stuff, okay, guys, I don't know CLI. You are doing something different, right? So when you are running PowerShell commands and learning PowerShell and creating some scripts, you are getting more smarter than other sysadmins, and you will get noticed. And there can be a possibility that you are getting so much of workload and doing repeated stuff and trying to get the information manually on the servers. So that really eat up your time when you are trying to do the things manually. With the help of PowerShell, you can automate the things, you can automate your daily day-to-day task. And more interestingly, when you are trying to do that, you are already running the commands and creating the scripts for the first time, and they can be used n number of time when you need it. Okay, let's talk about initially I was trying to teach PowerShell in a different manner, right? Like a traditional manner, I'm going through the topics and jumping on and telling them the things. But now I would like to change my tradition that how I should teach a person, a sysadmin, a PowerShell, because I always speak to them, and because we are running some demo sessions, right? So I always try to speak to them and ask them what are the daily tasks which they perform, right? And we can we automate them with the help of PowerShell. So when you are trying to do and try to learn PowerShell and try to do your daily task with the help of PowerShell, so you will learn PowerShell more quickly, and it will develop your interest as well. Okay, frankly speaking, Microsoft has integrated PowerShell with their services, and in now or near future, you will have to move and learn to PowerShell, because there are tasks which are only can be performed by PowerShell. If you ask a Exchange guy, he can really let you know n number of commands or n number of tasks which can only be performed with the help of PowerShell. As I give some cluster trainings, so I specifically make them aware, to my students, I make them aware that there are n number of tasks which can only be performed with the help of PowerShell, not from the GUI. So you need to learn PowerShell because there are, as an admin, you need to perform certain tasks which are required in near future as a troubleshooting point or getting or gathering some information. Interestingly, if I say if you are going to spend 1 hour in a single command at the first time while learning PowerShell, then I can assure you you will only need 15 to 20 seconds to really run other commands because the method and the arguments are quite same. You are just learning the things with a single command and you can really deploy them in other commands. So all in all, the PowerShell is the power for Windows admins, and it is required skills which you should adopt today or tomorrow. And it is better you adopt the things as soon as possible. So what we are doing is we are trying to make a community and try to make the people aware and learn PowerShell. So we are running program for learning PowerShell. So if you want to sign up for free demo, you can get it. You just go to the link below of this particular video and sign up for free demo today. So hope this particular session is informative and I would like to hear from you. You can really give any of the any questions which you have in your mind. Just write down to the comments and I will definitely get revert you and get in touch with you on that. Thank you very much. Do subscribe my channel and keep in touch. This is Joy Banerjee from AskJoyB, and you can also go to our website, that is aikidsupport.com. Thank you very much. This is Joy Banerjee signing off.